Down news dictation 51. New para. He reminded them that his party's journey did not begin with the toppling of Imran Khan's puppet regime in a constitutional way through a no confidence motion, but the untiring efforts by three generations of his family and party workers were all aimed at strengthening parliament. Full stop. This struggle was not a quick revolution achieved in a day or a year, rather a persistent fight, he remarked. Full stop. He said Benazir Bhutto struggled for over 30 years to restore the 1973 constitution in its true spirit, though she could not see it happen in her life. Full stop. Through the Charter of Democracy, she signed, the PPP later succeeded in restoring the 1973 Constitution via 18th Amendment, he added. Full stop. New para. While sharing the handships, his family and party workers endured for the sake of democracy, for Bhutto Zardari recounted the execution of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, imprisonment of Benazir Bhutto, workers of the PPP and other democratic parties. Full stop. He, his sibling and mother had to wait outside jail in extreme heat in order to meet his imprisoned father, he recalled, expressing disbelief at the PTI claims that they understood Bhutto's struggle better than he did. Full stop. He blamed the judiciary, military, and intelligence leadership of that time for conspiring behind the scenes, fearing that the restoration of the constitution would reduce their influence over the democratic system. Full stop. He acknowledged the difficult times Pakistan was facing at present. Full stop. New para. But remained the liars that the situation was equally dire during the era of a dictator who could not be spoken against. Full stop. He criticized the misuse of contempt laws to silence criticism of the judiciary and condemned how courts allowed military rulers to make unconstitutional amendments but denied elected representatives the same powers. Full stop. While arguing for judicial accountability and reforms in the appointment process of judges, he spoke against the ongoing interference in parliamentary matters by other institutions. Full stop. He said it a matter of concern that the judicial reforms were being undermined and questioned whether delays in reforms would lead to decisions similar to Article 63A and further restrictions on constitutional amendments. Full stop. The end.